Thank you for joining us today for the Comprehensive Diabetic Foot Care Exam and Forms Module Help video. Access the Comprehensive Diabetic Foot Care Exam by clicking on the CDFE module. Fill out all the questions on the left side of the screen. Click on the image of the feet to add findings. Type in the Note text box to add additional notes. Click Save to save the CDFE. Click Cancel to close out of it. Draw the appropriate findings on the feet. Click the drop-down on the color picker and select the white color to erase your findings. Click the pen size to change the size of your pen. The larger the number, the thicker it is. Click the Save button to save the image. The system will not close out of the image editor. Click the X to go back to the CDFE module. Click the Print button to print the CDFE form. This will bring up a preview of the CDFE form. From this screen, click on the Print button to print the form. Use the forms to prepare any type of specialized note or form needed for a patient, such as out of school, off to work, medical records, surgical consult, or any other requested forms. This area will keep track of any forms given to the patient. Click Forms to access your office's form list. When you open the Forms module for the first time, the EHR will show you a list of forms in the system. Search for a certain form by name or description. Click the Show Inactive checkbox to display hidden forms. Click to highlight the form you want and then click Select. The form input screen will appear. Depending on the form, certain information will be pre-populated for you. The locked checkbox will change the form to editable and not editable. When it is not editable, all user input areas on the form will be grayed out. The system will track the date when the form was locked. Click Save to save the form. Click Cancel to go back to the form list. Print the form by clicking the Print button. The system will bring up the Print Preview screen to view the final version. You can change how the form is shown by selecting one of the modes at the bottom. Click the Page Mode icon to show one page of the form. Show two pages on the screen. Click the Two-Page Mode icon. Clicking on one of these icons will trigger the page navigation to appear, which will allow you to move between pages. Clicking the Scroll Mode icon will allow you to scroll through the different pages. The slide bar will allow you to zoom in and out. If everything is in order, click the Print button to print the form. If you need to make any adjustments or if you don't want to print, click Cancel. Once a form has been saved in the patient's chart, the next time you enter the module, the system will show the list of forms that have been previously used. Each form added will show the date when the form was locked, created, and edited. Select the form that needs to be altered. Then click Edit. Add a new form by clicking the Add button. Click Cancel to exit out of the patient's form list. If you need additional help or have any further questions, please call the Genius Solutions ehrTHOMAS support line at 586-751-9080. Option 7. Thank you.